HealthForce Kentucky is a new collaboration that involves our post-secondary institutions, our colleges and universities, along with our P-12 school systems. They are working together to expand these pathways to create better opportunity and greater education to train you to be a healthcare professional.
As a high school teacher, my kids are in this building all the time. They're involved in the sports that we do. You know, they come to the different events here. I think a big part of being successful later in life is learning how to be successful when you're younger and seeing that, and modeling that, and learning that. And so something like 90% of Kentucky counties have a shortage of medical staff, specifically counties like Hancock County, because we're rural and there's not a lot of people here. So just the fact that we have health classes that are affiliated with OCTC, and then we're able to work with the hospital to bring stuff like that in, that really brings the lessons to life. And it makes it so that our younger kids that aren't even to the high school yet have an opportunity to see, you know, be exposed.
So when I first saw it, I was wondering what it was, because it was just like this big thing that I saw, and so I thought it was kind of cool when I went in there, and then I saw that they had like the mannequins and all the the heartbeat and stuff like that, and I thought it was really cool and fun.
Yeah, one of the easiest ways to lose a kid in education is to make it boring, and that was the exact opposite of that. All of the kids that I saw in there that day were engaged. They were interested in it, and it made it fun for them. And it didn't matter if they were 8 years old, or if they were high school, or my age. The teachers, the adults in there. It was really interesting.
When I first walked in, I probably saw that body that they had that had all the body parts that they pulled out to ask what they were. I did think it was kind of cool, and when I felt the liver, it feels kind of watery inside of it. It just feels really weird when you touch it. And so there were a few of them where I learned a little bit of the stuff that was in the brain, the different, how it's split in half, and how the right side of your brain moves the left hand, and how your left side of your brain moves your right hand, and how each side of your brain works certain stuff.
I just thought it was really good because Elias, he's 8 years old, in third grade, and he'd never once mentioned the medical field as something he was interested in until we walked out of the mobile unit after he got to talk to the people in there and do the interactive units, and he was excited about that when he came out. He's like, "Dad, that might be something that I want to do when I get older. I might be interested in being a doctor." So that was. I really liked that aspect of it too, just opening my young child's eyes to one more thing that he could possibly do in the future. It's definitely a valuable resource that I would recommend any parent, any teacher, any community leader, or any student, especially those that are interested in the medical field.